Yes, people. Here we are on our evening walk. Yeah, sorry, yeah, I'm trying not to put you on the camera. Yeah, you're right. Yeah. Yes, people, here we are on our evening walk. Our evening walk named Full Circle. Yeah, man. The evening walk named Full Circle.
Welcome to the lovely Dubai. Right, so where is it from? We need to go to a shop. Then get my phone. We're not disturbing your video.
No, man, got you, my brother. Got you. Yeah, you're welcome. Yes, people, here we are, and we're up on our evening walk. Our evening walk named Full Circle. Time is 26 minutes past 7 p.m. And the date is Tuesday, the 1st of June 2021. Yeah, we are in England, United Kingdom, aka Slave Master Headquarters. Yeah. This evening we're talking about Father Earth and Mother Nature. Yeah, cause some people don't understand it. Say the earth a man. Yeah. And all of the living organism on it. A female. So all of the living things that on earth are female. Yeah, man, the earth itself a man, you know? Yeah, man. Cheers. Yeah, man. Sorry, I'm all on the video so I don't put you on it. Yeah, cheers, yeah. Yeah. Nice little dog, ain't it? Yes, people. Yeah, man, today we are discuss Father Earth, you know, and Mother Nature. Yeah, man. Mother Nature is so beautiful. You know? Give you the birds and the bees and the flowers and the trees and all the living soul. You know? Created out of Mother Nature. Yeah, man. And Father Earth is just the house that holds everything. Yes, my brother. Yeah. It holds everything, you know? The earth, it holds everything. So people, while you're treading through earth, yeah, man, just walk in a safe journey, you know? Just walk a safe journey. Yeah, man. And go on like you can mash up earth. Yeah, man, because it will come from, you know? And then we go back. Yeah, man. A good old book, you know, tell us, you know, we was created out of the dust and the clay. You get what I'm saying to you? Yeah, man. We come from the earth, and then we go back. Yeah, man, when we pass. Right in the earth we're going. Some people feel like they're not going into the earth. Fear those, mate. Burn your body and sprinkle the ashes. Go right back to the earth. Yes, my brother. Hey! What's going on, man? Are you alright? Hey, you just coming from work?
I just came to see some friends here.
Okay, I'm just going for a walk, my evening walk. Yeah, I hear some guys lose their life, some young lads lose their life on the canal. Yeah, man. I've been on the canal yesterday and the day before, but I hear some young lad lose their life on the canal.
Is it?
Yeah.
Where?
Somewhere off down here. Some guy drowned.
Oh,
Some young little lads too, you know. Schoolboy, innit? I hear he go to Big House. Aye?
oh, really?
Well, I hear he must have jumped off in the canal and can't swim.
Fucking joke.
That's what happened to these young kids, man. Them brag and boast when them see friends, you know, and do stupid stuff, you know. Yeah, man, and do a lot of stupid stuff. So, don't know. You know, you only can talk to them, you know. You can't force nothing on them. You only can tell them, you know. They want to hear, they hear. If they don't want to take advice, fear those who leave them to it. I hear he jump off in the water. And I hear friends jump off to save him, and he's trying to pull them down in it. But that's what happens in it when you're drowning in it. You have to have a proper person to save you. You say, the person who's drowning is gonna drown you as well. Yeah. Yeah, man, my God, you know. I bet experience them supposed to go in. It's fucking mad now when they hear this shit. You know,
He's trying to save him, he's trying to pull them in.
yeah, that's why I go when somebody's drowning in it.
It's once air.
Yeah.
So he'll be drawing you as well.
Yeah, so I tell people, you know, it's hard, man. You raise kids this big, you know, and think they're gonna turn out to be something good, and at this age, you know, when you think they should have reached the age to look after themselves, they're doing stupid stuff, probably trying to show his friends, he can do this and he can do that. Black boy as well, you know.
Oh shit.
It didn't really make a difference if he was black or was white, but I'm just simply saying, you know.
It's surprising. But
Yeah.
I straight out thought he was a white boy, innit?
You know, you get what I'm
That's
saying
what
to
I
you?
thought, innit?
Yeah, man, it's a little black boy, innit?
Fucking joke.
It didn't really make a difference what race is he, but you know,
No,
because
I
we wouldn't want to, we have kids in it. We have kids, so we don't want that shit for our kids, regardless of what, you know, we wouldn't want that for other people's kids as well. But I'm just simply saying, you think you would have known better, innit?
Yeah, of course.
You think you'd have known better, man. Trust me. You don't play with these water, man. You can't see it, the bottom of it. You see how it's silent and quiet? We know when we was growing up, they said silent river run deep. Yeah, man, silent river run deep, man, so. Yeah, man, if you can't swim, whether or not you can't swim, don't chuck off in it. You don't know, you might knock your head in it. You might bump your head on some rubbish in the water and knock your head in it. I tell you, man, it's painful when I hear it. I seen the helicopter, I was at the yard and seen the helicopter. I was videoing the helicopter and I'm saying, what's going on? The helicopter keeps spinning around, going around, and then I seen it stand still. Because it was looking place to land, innit? And then I hear the neighbor said, oh, he get a phone call, said some guy have drowned in the canal and whatever. I said, some young lad has drowned in the canal. I said, you joking? He said, no. I said, fucking hell, man. Yeah. So which way you going?
I came to see a friend.
Okay. You parked that?
My friend, he's got a boat there. So
Yeah.
I just sat there having a couple of years.
Yeah, a boat.
Yeah, he's got a boat.
Yeah. Good. Yeah, man. Yeah, I love to have one of them, me.
So I just want to see him.
I would love to have one of them.
4 minutes.
Yeah.
Sounds calling.
Yeah, I'd love to have one of them boat, me. Yeah, man. I would love to live on the fucking canal, trust me. Yeah. Get away from all of this bullshit and, you know what I'm saying to you, August? Get back right onto proper life, you know? Yeah, nature. Yeah, man, I'm gonna go for a walk, go further on them sides and whatever and go. So look after yourself, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, and anytime you want to see me, man, just give me a message because you have me on. Yeah, you subscribe to my thing, so just message me and me subscribe. Say, brother, I want to see you, and I'll message back and tell you.
All right.
Yeah, in the comment. Yeah, once you subscribe, you can message me through. Yeah. Much love, my brother. Much love. Yeah. Yes, people. Trust me. You know, it's shocking, man, to see race kids and when they reach this age, they lose their life, you know. Trust me. You know, it's just horrible to see kids and when they reach this age, think they should be looking after themselves, you know. They do stupid stuff. Yeah man, go ahead and do stupid stuff like that, my God. You know? Mm. So mm. 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 Yes, yeah, I'm down on the canal front. Mm. Sorry, make I go around. I'm in the parking lot here. Mm. Mm. Yes, people. Yeah, man, when you try it through Father Earth, you know, just trot good. Trot good, people. Trot good. When you're traveling through Father Earth, just trot good because I'm telling you, yeah, man, Earth is a nice place, you know, but careful. You mess about and it just swallow you up. Swallow you up like that. Yeah, man. Swallow you up like that. Yes. No cycling. Yeah. Yeah, man, when you're traveling through Father Earth, man, travel good. Yeah, man. Because it will swallow you up like that. Whop, whop, whop. Yeah, man. Careful and stop being a bully. Stop being a bully. Okay. Mm. Yes, people, I'm there for my evening walk and evening walk in full circle. Because wherever you go, take you back into one big circle. Yeah, man. This is the canal. Yeah. Yeah, man, you don't mess about with the canal. Mm. Mm. Yeah. Well, go on, my brother, you good? Yeah, man, manners and love, manners and love, manners and love, yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, alright, love.
You got a say?
No, no, I don't smoke.
It's up cigarette.
No, I stopped smoke. I don't smoke no more. Cheers, yeah. Mm. Yes, Father. Yes, Father Earth. Manners and love. Yeah, man. So you have some barge and okay, that's my bedroom barge. Seen it up the road yesterday. What is it? Yeah, look it. It is. Yeah, man. Trust me. Mm. Yeah, man. When you're traveling through Father Earth, just travel with sense, you know. Yeah, man. Mother Nature provide a lot of things for you, you know. Yeah, man. Yeah. Father Earth just there you go on. Make sure you have somewhere to put your foot them upon. Yeah, man, but if you fool yourself, it just swallow you up, bitch. Yeah. See, man, so we down upon the canal and so we have the barge. Nice barge at. Yeah, man. No joke, people. Yeah, man. Canal is something where you play around with, you know. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. This is where I come. This we have a lock right here. Next lock. Yeah, man. And this lock now lead out right now. Yes, yes, my brother. Blessed love, yeah? Yeah, man. Blessed love, blessed love, blessed love, yeah, yeah. Yes, so this is the step I take you down now. See? When I was saying where the yeah? Where goes basin. So that lock now take you out into the river. See? So that's the lock will take you out into the river. This is the step where you step down. Step down. This is the step I was telling you about. So this step now step you right down now onto this bit here. So you see? That's the edge of the canal there. The river. It's a canal lead out into the river right here. See? That's the river going running straight up all the way up. So big bridge, innit? And you see how wide that is. All the way come cross, come, see? It's proper wide, man. And you see? Walk it. There's no footpath over there, innit? No footpath shit. No footpath over that side. And this is where the footpath come and end right here. See? This is where the footpath end. Yes, people. Everyone listen to the sweet, sweet sound of Mother Nature, you know? Birds been singing. Yeah. Sweet, sweet sound of Mother Nature. I know that some people standing there. Yeah, man. Yes, people. So just jump down in the comment section and leave your comment down there. Because we're not afraid of no comment. Remember, you have the right to your own opinion. Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Much love, people. I jump off of the video right there, because we're up and back right around the corner. Much love, much love, much love. Yeah, man.